Ito ang magsisilbing reunion movie ng dating magjowa na sina Joshua Garcia at Julia Barreto at bagong collaboration ng Star Cinema at Viva Films nang naging issue at hindi nahirapan ang direktor na si Petersen Vargas habang ginagawa ang latest movie niyang Unhappy For You. Excited na si Derek Peterson na mapapanood ng Joslia fans ang muling pagtatambal sa movie ni na Julia Joshua na showing na sa mga sinihan nationwide sa darating na August 14. I think we Filipinos like to mirror that and a cinematic experience. Nagbuo lang kami ng pelikula na ang real nung sakit. I think it felt so fresh and current, dagdag pa niya. Paglalarawan niya sa pag-atake ng kanyang lead stars sa kanilang mga role. I watch their films, masaya sila panoorin. Pero alam mong if you go to that real and painful dramatic route, mapopush pa natin sila. I was really excited to push that dramatic journey with them. Sometimes I give them space because they seem to have this very intimate personal way of making their scene. They were so generous for sharing themselves. Anya pa. Kinunan ang kabubuan ng pelikula sa Bicol kaya naitanong din sa direktor kung ano ang kahalagahan ng naturang probensya sa pelikula. Hindi naman ako Bicolano but it was actually an idea that I worked with our writers kasi part of the journey is medyo mapangahas at may nakakatakam na element yung reunion ng exes sa story. And we felt na Naga is a city that is filled with a lot of spiciness so we wanted them to also embrace that flame. Meron din siyang flavor na ganon. Explica pa niya. Kasunod nga nito, sinabi ni Derek na napaka-smooth shooting nila sa Bicol at never naging pasaway ang Joslia sa set. Really a fun set. I think they were all very generous with each other and I think kasi line lead nila Josh and Julia yun. I think yung generosity comes from how everyone set them together. I think there's this really beautiful energy, this aura. When they're together, and there's magic. I also believe, anya pa, ka-join din sa Unhappy For You sina Kyla Estrada, Aljon Mendoza, Ketchup Eusebio, Jan Lapot, Ana Abad Santos, Victor Silayan, Bianca De Vera, at Bong Gonzales at iba pa.